my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. As you can tell in today's video, I am transforming myself into a scarecrow. We are in the transitioning phase of spooky season, so I thought it'd be really fun to do some Halloween tutorials on my channel. This is one of my most favorite times of the year. I love the pumpkin spice, I love Halloween, I love all the cool spooky costumes. So I thought I would participate in the festivities and do some Halloween makeup tutorials here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this really easy scarecrow look. I used this with everything that I already had. I didn't purchase anything new or special for this. It was pretty easy to create, and if you'd like to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so as you can tell, I already have my base on. For this, you can really do your foundation, concealer, and powder, and eyebrows however you want to. Not the main focus of this, so you can just do all that however you'd like. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into blush. What we're going to need is a peachy orangey color, and I'm going to place this right on the apples of my cheeks and make it pretty vibrant. So the shade I'm going to take is the shade Creme de la Peach from the Too Faced White Peach palette. You can use any sort of peachy orange color, but this is just the color I'm going to use. And I'm going to take this on my IT Cosmetics all over brush and place this right on the apples of my cheeks. And you want it to be kind of vibrant, so don't be scared to go in there with a heavy hand. I'm going to take this on my chin and up on the center, not on the center of my forehead, but right in the center of my eyebrows on my forehead. Alright, so now that we have that laid down, we're going to go ahead and get into eyes. I did already go ahead and prime my eyes with my P. Louise eyeshadow primer base. The first shade I'm going to take is the shade Mischeif from the Colourpop Yes Please palette on a MAC 217 brush. And I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm just putting it right in the inner corner, bringing it downwards a little bit and up into my crease. And as you can tell, I'm not taking it all the way out because I'm going to leave that for an orange shade. And you don't have to use this specific yellow color. You can really use any sort of yellow eyeshadow that you have. Now I'm taking the orange shade Zama, I don't know, from my Juvias Place The Warrior 2 palette and placing this on the outer corner, connecting it to that yellow shade that I put on first. And I'm just doing this with a Morphe M535 brush. Instead of that orange, I'm going to take the shade Enemy from my Lady Gaga Stupid Love palette and put that on the outer portion of my eye. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. Now I'm going back in with the shade Creme de la Peach from the Too Faced White Chocolate palette on a Morphe M441 brush and just softening it up a little bit. And putting it on the center of my lid. Now to just add some definition to my eyes and make my eyes look a little bit brighter, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and putting this all along my lower waterline. Now I'm going back into the shade Creme de la Peach on a Morphe M506 brush and placing this color all along my lower lash line. Okay, so now for eyeliner, I want to do a pretty dramatic eye effect. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner and draw a pretty thick wing. And I'm also going to take this down into the inner corner and make a little peak right in my inner corner. Now I'm just doing the same on the other side. Now to just add some more effect, I'm going to draw on fake lower lashes. Looking good so far. Now for the nose, we're going to add a little touch. Now for the nose, I'm going to lightly draw on a little teardrop shape with my Lady Gaga HAUS LABORATORIES eyeliner. I'm going to fill in the nose with the shade Creme de la Peach from the White Peach palette and just lightly tap it in. To just add more effect, I'm going to draw little lines to make it look like this nose was sewn on. Now for the lips, you can either use like a peach toned lipstick or lip gloss or something like that. I don't have that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the peachy shade and use it as a lipstick and just place it all over my lips on a MAC 217 brush. This part doesn't really need to be perfect because we're going to end up smudging it out a bit. So just place that color all over the lips. And I'm also going to place it right on the outer corner in a line sort of formation. Now I'm taking the orange shade from the Warrior 2 palette, the shade Zama, on the same MAC 217 brush and placing this on the inner portion of my lips just to add a little depth. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw on a mouth, a little stitched mouth, so it makes us look like we're sewed together, I guess. So how I'm doing this is I'm just taking this all the way up to about the outer corner of my eye on both sides. Now we're just going to draw some lines. I'm going to take one right in the center of my mouth. On the outer corner here. And these do not have to be perfect. You can do them however you want to. Totally cool. And just put a couple more. Like that. Now to just add more depth, I'm going to put some of the eyeliner inside on the very inner portion of my mouth. Taking my finger and spreading it around a bit. Now for one of my favorite parts, we're going to go ahead and add some fake freckles. I'm using my Lottie London freckle tint. You can really use, you can use eyeshadow, you can use eyebrow pencil, you can use whatever you want for this. I just think it's easier with a freckle tint. And we're not gonna really make these look natural. We're gonna make these kind of stand out a bit. And I am just lightly blending these out. And I'm going to put some on my forehead where I put the blush color. Just going to put a few on my nose. Alright, now all we need to complete this look is some mascara and some lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, come back, and show you guys the final look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and put on some eyelashes, went outside and found some grass, and put on my favorite flannel shirt, and here you have it. This is the final look. This was pretty easy to create. I created this look with things that I already had. All you really need to create this look is just some eyeliner, a peachy blush, a yellow eyeshadow, and that's pretty much it, and a brown eyeshadow. But yeah, if you liked this look, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.